you often feel bloated and gassy or experience stomach cramps after enjoying your favorite dairy treat? Are dairy products making you rush to the toilet many times a day? Do you also feel nausea, vomiting after 30 minutes to 2 hours of consuming dairy products? You might be one of the millions of people worldwide dealing with lactose intolerance. But what exactly is lactose intolerance? Do dairy products also affect your liver health or aggravate the liver damage if you already have a liver disorder in the long run? Let's know. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can find a lot of detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet, nutrition, yoga, exercise and holistic chronic disease treatment. Today in my video, you will learn about lactose intolerance and whether it affects your liver health. So let's begin. Okay, so let's first understand what lactose intolerance is. Lactose intolerance is the inability to digest lactose, the sugar found in the milk and dairy products. Lactose is a disaccharide, meaning it is made up of two simple sugars, glucose and galactose, linked together. Well, your body needs an enzyme called lactase to digest lactose in small intestine. This enzyme breaks down lactose into those two simpler sugars which can be absorbed into your bloodstream. But what if your body doesn't produce enough lactase? The lactose passes to the colon through your small intestine undigested. And that's where the trouble begins. Now, let's know the symptoms of lactose intolerance. When undigested lactose reaches the colon, it gets fermented by your gut bacteria. This fermentation produces gas, hydrogen, methane and carbon dioxide, leading to bloating, abdominal pain and cramping, diarrhea or loose stools, nausea, vomiting and gurgling sound in the belly. Alright. So I have discussed lactose intolerance and its symptoms. Now the question is, does lactose harm the liver? The simple answer is no. Lactose itself is not harmful to the liver. The liver does not directly metabolize lactose. Lactose is handled in small intestine. If you're lactose intolerant, the issue is in your gut, not your liver. When undigested lactose is fermented in the colon, it disrupts the balance of your gut bacteria. It can increase the colony of gas-producing bacteria like bacteroids and Methanobrevibacter. It may impact the pH of your colon, potentially irritating the gut lining. Well, unabsorbed lactose can also lead to osmotic diarrhea when water is drawn into the intestinal lumen, leading to watery or loose stool. Suppose lactose intolerance is overlooked for a long time. In that case, it can also cause gut dysbiosis, a change in colony of gut microbes, leaky gut syndrome, and chronic inflammation of the gut. Well, lactose can be problematic if there is not sufficient production of lactase in the intestine. But if you have liver disease, especially the advanced one like cirrhosis, then it will be a different case. And lactose can be a reason for concern. Whole milk, cream and full fat cheese can be heavy on saturated fats. Too much fat stresses the digestive system and may contribute to fatty liver complications. Flavored yogurt, milkshakes or ice creams are loaded with sugars. Excess sugar can worsen fatty liver and increase insulin resistance. Many cirrhosis patients develop secondary lactose intolerance because of liver disease can affect the gut's health and enzyme production. So it's not only the lactose but also the other milk compounds that can affect the liver. Alright, so I have shared complete detailed information on lactose intolerance and whether it can affect your liver health. Well, lactose intolerance is very prevalent nowadays as more than 65% of people are lactose intolerant globally. As I have already told you, it's not only the lactose but also other milk compounds that can ruin your gut and liver health. So it's crucial to know when to start caring for your liver. Well, the liver issues like fatty liver, hepatitis, and cirrhosis can easily be treated with holistic and natural medicines. Yes, Bharat homeopathic medicines are very successful in treating liver disorders of thousands of patients worldwide. Unlike modern medicines, Bharat homeopathic medicines are absolutely safe and effective and bring results in the condition in the shortest possible time. We at Bharat Homeopathy have a track record of happy patient feedback as we have treated thousands of liver patients worldwide with our personalized and customized treatment. So, if you or your loved one is struggling with any chronic liver disease, no worries. We are here to help you get over the condition. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.